Get into the 2021 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, electronic stability control, heated front seat. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.